If you're not growing, you're dying. The most successful people in this world are the ones who can also tap into their creative geniuses. Our minds are wired to keep us in our comfort zones. Maraming business ang nagfi-fail because they are thinking a lot rather than caring a lot. If you want to become great at one thing, then you must be willing to look like a fool in the beginning. In this world that we're living in, you gotta allow your heart to lead and then let your mind follow.
The Pod Network Entertainment.
Hey guys, welcome back to Small Talk, Small Conversations with Huge Impact. My name is Alec Cuenca and I am your host. And before anything else, I want to say thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for supporting the show, sharing it to your friends, and giving it a 5-star rating as well. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And the podcast is going because of you, and ako rin tuloy-tuloy ang paggawa ko ng content because of the people who are supporting the show. So please share it, ikalat nyo rin to sa ibang tao para mas marami pang makanood nito. But for today, we're gonna talk about a concept that not just one concept. We're gonna talk about 4 concepts that a little bit of backstory. So this year, I have started my own creative agency, meaning we are now offering people personal branding, kung paano sila mas magiging successful online. So that's the business that I started this year. But one of the most important things na kailangan matutunan ng isang business owner is the values of where it is founded on. Doon ako nagsimula. No, before anything else, I made sure that the culture that we are creating is a culture that practices good values. No, kasi if you have good values in your company, in your business, the employees will stay. Clients will be, coming in and will appreciate all the good work, and hindi kayo maliligaw ng landas if you are grounded on your values. And I want to share with you on this episode 4 values that you can apply actually in your life. Okay? Whether you are starting a business or whether you just want to apply this for your own good and you want to find success in your life, whether it's with a new venture or with a new experience or anything that you want to achieve in life, pwede nyo rin tong ma-apply. Kasi ito, founded on the values that help me to get to where I am right now. And these 4 values as well are what are guiding us sa company. Kaya yung mga tao doon ay nag-enjoy at talagang nangingibabaw ang growth. Kasi I know you're here because you want growth, right? And ako rin, obsessed ako sa growth. Especially the people that are in our company, ang pinaka priority ko for them is growth. If they're not growing here, I'm gonna ask them to find another venture, find another company to work in. Kasi if you're not growing, you're dying. And I do value growth. And if you follow these 4 values as well in your life, you will experience growth like no other. So the first value that I want you guys to understand is heart over mind. Okay? And this is a value that I hold deeply in my heart. Again, heart. Kasi for the longest time, I've been trying to outwit everything that is happening in my life. I'm trying to be rational about things. I've been trying to make up like a business plan of some sort and trying to plan my way through life. But the thing is, sa buhay naman, hindi natin kayang planuhin lahat. Right? Of course, you need a plan to keep you moving or to get you started. But one of the things that my company is founded upon, and by the way, we're achieving numbers that are only possible for like people who are already in the business for so long, and we're very grateful for it. We're so blessed to have it. And I do believe that it's because of this, because of the concept heart over mind. And the heart over mind principle basically talks about you following your heart all the time, no? And more importantly, you putting your heart first before your mind. And the reason is, I've noticed that our minds are wired to keep us in our comfort zones. Our minds cannot comprehend how abundant this life could be. And the most successful people in this world are the ones who can also tap into their creative geniuses. And I noticed that, yes, there's a side of your brain that will allow you to become creative, but that's also the side of where your heart is leading. Because if you're going through the one part of your brain, which is all about the rational, practicality, logic, then you won't decide on what is possible. And the reason why I want you to choose heart over mind, or to be heart over mind, is because I want you to be a possibilitarian rather than a realistic person. No, a realistic person will only decide based on what he sees. But if you're a possibilitarian, you will see things that are possible for you. And if you are always guided by your heart, then you will see things. Ang lagi mong sinasabi sa sarili mo, what else is possible? And so your heart will guide you to things that maybe sometimes scary, maybe sometimes hindi mo maintindihan. But those are the moments, that is the path where you can expand yourself. Kasi it's beyond your current reality. Of course, no, maybe your current strategy, maybe your current plans in life got you to where you are right now. But what got you here won't get you to where you want to be. So if you want to experience the best things in life, then you gotta understand na kailangan na in this world that we're living in, you gotta allow your heart to lead and then let your mind follow. Hindi ko naman sinasabi mo na gamitin utak mo. Pero sinasabi ko, you let your heart lead. And this is also something that we're practicing for our clients, for our customers. Because if puso ang nauuna, hindi ka pwede magkamali. No? Maraming businesses lang naman na nag-fail because kulang sila sa care. And if you want to care, you gotta come from your heart. And if ikaw manggagaling ka sa posisyon na magmamahal ka, nahahayaan mo yung puso mo mag-lead, hindi ka pwedeng magkamali. No? So heart over mind is one of the principles that we're applying in our business. Pero this is also something that I'm applying in my life. Alam you guys, the business that I have right now, this came from like a dream that was planted in my heart. And at the time that I was about to start it, if you would be rational about it, you would say, wag na yan, no? Because it doesn't make sense. But the best things in life will come from your imagination, not from your sense. And so, for me, ganun din ang nangyari. I looked at what's the thing that really kind of scares me. Because now I know that it's not from the logic side. It's coming from my creative side. And nung sinundan ko yon, great things started to happen. And I assure for you as well that if you choose heart over mind, that will happen for you as well. So that's the first one, heart over mind. The second is share everything you know. In a culture where the information is available everywhere, sobrang dali na mag-consume. But there's a hidden practice, or there's a lost art in sharing what you know. And we do believe na abundant tayo dito. So no secrets, walang nagtatago. And we live in a karmic world where whatever you give, that's also something that you're going to receive. So kung you're sharing everything that you know, number one, you're going to get a lot of practice for it. Number two, mas maiintindihan mo siya. And number three, you're sharing, you're giving, and you're going to be able to receive a lot as well. So in our company, and in my life as well, probably the reason why I'm here, no, sinishare ko rin sa inyo kung paano. Eto guys, kasi pag in-apply nyo itong mga to, magiging successful din ang business nyo. For sure. No? So, for me, sinishare ko rin lahat ng alam ko. How I got to where I am, how I achieved all of my successes. That's why I'm teaching a lot of people with content creation. I have one group coaching session na 20 plus 30, almost 30 people are tuning in. And sila rin are getting the results that I've experienced because I was just sharing everything that I know. Now, I may not get the kind of the exact, alam mo yun, kung ano yung pinaka, parang hindi ko naman makuha exact for me yung kung ano man ang ibigay ko. Pero, if I'm in the process, or I am in the principle of just sharing, I know that God is fair. I know that the universe is fair. And so if I'm just sharing everything I know, people will also share everything that they know to me that will be helpful for my own growth, for my own success.
Mga Immortal, listen to the Underpaid Podcast with me, Stanley Chi, wherein we talk about work-related topics in a light manner na parang nagchichismisan lang tayo or nagkukwentuhan. Listen for free on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or kung saan ka man nakikinig ng podcast. Kita-kits!
So, I'm just inviting that energy. Yan. Na, share mo lang kung anong gusto mong makuha. Share ka lang na share and then magulat ka maraming palang taong makakakinabang nun. And probably, no? Maybe one of the reasons why I'm receiving a lot as well is I'm giving a lot. And so, share everything you know. So, if ikaw, no, one of the best ways for you to share everything that you know is to do content creation. Oh, by the way, I will be launching a creator, an academy wherein ituturo namin lahat ng sikreto namin through courses. And I would be opening it very soon where you would just pay a monthly membership fee where you could get access to monthly courses and you can get access to lifetime access to all of the courses na gagawin nyo. So, hopefully, pag nagawa nyo rin yun, makuha nyo yun, share nyo rin sa ibang tao. Who knows, di ba? But yeah, so ikaw, whatever your expertise is, one way that you can share everything that you know is to do content creation. Share nyo online. Post kayo na TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. But just share everything that you know. Ang laking advantage niyan kapag natutunan mo nang i-share yung mga bagay na alam mo kasi napapractice mo siya, gumagaling ka lalo. But more importantly, it's you saying it as if you like you truly understand it. And dun mo lang makikita na master mo na yung gawa mo kapag natuturo mo na siya sa iba. Okay? So that's the second principle. Share everything that you know. Okay? The third principle is start before you're ready. Okay? We're a lean startup. No? Meaning, hindi kami katulad ng mga malalaking kumpanya na pag pumasok ka, okay, kung ano yung kunyari sa editing ka, ito lang yung edit mo pa ulit-ulit. No? Most of the time, since we're also a company founded on growth, we allow people to just start doing things that they're uncomfortable doing. So, merong isang tao na yung puso niya nandun naman sa graphics pero we hired him as an editor. So, we shifted him to graphics and kahit hindi siya parang sobrang expert doon but he enjoys doing it. Then I just told him start before you're ready. Like, you can only learn so much but in the application of it, in the practice of it, dun mo talaga siya maiintindihan. And in life, ganun din. If you want to become great at one thing, then you must be willing to look like a fool in the beginning. Kung gusto mong gumaling sa isang bagay, dapat sa simula, okay ka lang na magmukhang tanga, na magkamali. Okay? Pero lahat yun magagawa mo kapag nagsimula ka lang. 80% of success is just showing up and doing the thing. So, kung kaya mong magsimula kahit hindi ka pa fully prepared, fully ready, marami kasing tao yan ng excuse eh. Hindi pa ako ready. When will you be ready? You will never be ready. There is no perfect timing for your life. You will have unlimited chances right now, but if you start before you're ready, then you will be good at it. Then you will be great at it. So, ganun din. For me, I didn't know how to run a business, but I kept on starting. In fact, I have started a lot of businesses before I even attended one business school. I started a lot of businesses before I created my first business plan. I started a lot of businesses before I actually created a logo for myself. Hindi ko alam yun, but for me, I just started before I ready. And di ko namalayan, gumagaling na lang ako ng gumagaling up until one business came in, became successful, and tuloy-tuloy ang growth for that. So start before you're ready. If you're gonna get anything from this podcast, then that's my invitation. To start before you're ready. Magsimula ka kahit hindi ka pa handa. Kasi pag nagsimula ka kahit hindi ka pa handa, mas mabilis pa yung growth mo compared sa mga taong nakastuck sa kakaaral kung paano magsimula. Start before you're ready. That's the third one. The fourth one is be with. There are so many temptations. There are so many things that will try to distract you from what your purpose is in life. And the one of the most important values that we practice is be with. wherever you are, be there. What we want to practice in our company and what I practice in my life as well is being with. So if I'm talking to a person, I'm just there. I'm not thinking about the next project. I'm not thinking about ano kinain kanina. I'm just there. I'm just there in the present moment. And nagugulat na lang kami, no? We're running the business almost like 6 months. Crazy. But every day is just a practice of being with. Like today. Like what is the business gonna look like today? Like today, I'm here with you guys. I'm not thinking of anything else. I'm just being here with you guys. So whatever you're doing, allow yourself to focus on one thing, one task until it's finished. And focus and being with. Being with lang yung term namin kasi maraming tao na andyan, no? Pero lumilipad yung isip. No, you gotta be there. No, especially with relationships. If you're listening here and you want to expand on your relationship, this is a life hack. Sobrang laking tulong sa relationship mo kapag alam mong makinig. Not just makinig, but be there for that person. A lot of people, they just want to connect with you because you're felt. Because they feel acknowledged. They feel heard. They feel that you're present. And if you're present in the present moment, that's where the most beautiful things in life happen. So my invitation for you is to be with. Be present. Because that's also one of the 4 values that we practice in. So yeah, yun yung 4 na values na pinapractice namin. And a bonus value for you guys is something na parang in-add on na namin later on was the concept of going all in. Pansin ko lang, yung mga sobrang successful na tao, sila yung mga taong nag-all in. Sila yung mga taong hindi nag-50-50. Sila yung mga taong maybe, no? It might not make sense now, but they're going all in. They're trying to risk everything to make it work. Kasi if you take the most unreasonable risk in your life, then fudge. You're also gonna get the most unreasonable rewards for your life. So that's a bonus tip, no? For example, in content creation, I remember the reason why I got to 1 million so fast is I went all in. I didn't do anything else. I was just focused on one platform, trying to go successful on podcasting, and then I went all in on TikTok, and then I went all in on Instagram, and now it's flourishing everywhere because the practice of going all in, going full out. Don't hold yourself back from your success, from your greatness. That is my invitation for you. Sobrang galing mo. Sobrang amazing mong tao. Sobrang laki ng potential mo. Pero dahil natatakot kang mag-all-in, hindi mo siya nakikita. So my final call for you guys is to go all in. So yan. Yun yung 5. 4 plus 1. Heart over mind. Share everything you know. Start before you're ready. Be with. More importantly, go all in. So that's for this episode. Let me know kung ano yung pinakapaborito nyong concept or value na ma-apply nyo rin sa buhay nyo. And if you got any value from this episode, please share it sa mga socials nyo. Tag me at Alec Cuenca at Small Talk Podcast as well. And if you're on YouTube, please comment down below ano yung mga magagandang nakuha nyo lessons. So, mas ma-push to sa algorithm and mas maraming pang tao makakita. I truly appreciate yung mga tao na nakasubscribe for this. So please click that subscribe button para makuha nyo yung latest updates for our content as well. So yeah, thank you so much for listening. I'm so happy na nandito ka pa rin. And I'm just excited to create more episodes for you guys. So again, thank you so much. My name is Alec Cuenca. This is Small Talk, small conversations with huge impact. I'll see you guys next episode. Peace.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.